Hello, today we will introduce this Hyecho brushless leaf blower. The device is made up of the machine body, blow pipe, extension pipe, nozzle set, a 4.0 Ah battery, and charger. How to install the leaf blower? Firstly, insert the blowpipe and extension pipe. Then, plug the battery pack and turn it on. Choose the appropriate nozzle set with the nozzle pipe and tighten it. Also, the small nozzle can be directly sleeved on the machine without blowpipe and extension pipe. Then assemble the battery and turn it on. Common problems and solutions. The battery needs to be charged when there is only one indicator light on. Plug the charger, it is the green light. Insert the battery, the red light will be on, this is in charge. After 1 hour, the battery is fully charged and turns green. That's all.